friend! This is another book of John Ray. Men are from Venus and women are from Mars. So yan. Ang lesson natin today, previously we talked about men go to their gates and women talk. So today, coping with stress on Mars and Venus. So, iba yung planet Mars, diba sa planet Venus. So yung mga Martian daw gets upset. When Martian gets upset, he never talks about what is bothering him. He would never burden another Martian with his problem unless his friend's assistance was necessary to solve the problems. Instead, he becomes quiet and goes to his private cave to think about his problem in order to find a solution. When he finds a solution, he feels much better and comes out of his cave. So si woman naman kasi, si Venus naman, when she becomes upset or stressed, to find relief, she seeks out someone she trusts and then talks in great detail about problems of her day. When Venusians share feelings of being overwhelmed, they suddenly feel better. This is the Venusian way. So you see, magkaiba tayo, diba? A man retreats on his cave and think about it. Tayo naman, we share, we talk about our problems. So, kung hindi natin maintindihan of these different needs, magkakaroon tayo ng misunderstanding. So, to feel better, sabi niya, Venusian get together and openly talk about the problems. So, yung man naman, they don't want that. So, knowing this, you have to understand that when a man retreats, he is thinking about his problem. And the man should understand that when we talk, we are just verbalizing or bringing out yung mga worries natin. And not at all times, we are looking for a solution. So, it's just our way of emptying feelings of being overwhelmed, confused, hopeless, and exhausted. So when a Martian man feels good when he can solve these problems on his own, on his cave. These secrets of feeling good are still applicable today. Stay safe, everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.